Nearly 100 people working inside Rashtrapati Bhavan have been quarantined after a worker there tested positive for the coronavirus disease. According to a media report, at least 125 families living near gate number 70 have been asked to remain in self-isolation in accordance with the guidelines of the Union Health Ministry. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded the efforts of country's civil servants in ensuring India successfully defeats COVID-19. In a tweet, Modi said he appreciates their efforts in ensuring India successfully defeats COVID-19. They are working round the clock, assisting those in need and ensuring everyone is healthy, the Prime Minister said. India's coronavirus cases breached the 1,800 mark, according to the figures released by the Health Ministry this morning. There are 14,759 active COVID-19 cases in the country. 590 people have died of the disease, while 3,251 have been cured or discharged. Globally, there have been 24,37,170 reported coronavirus infections, from which 1,67,594 people have died, according to an AFP tally. COVID-19 positive cases are on the rise along the porous Indo-Myanmar border in the past few days, as per a report. In Myanmar's Tidims bordering Churachandpur district of Manipur, COVID-19 confirmed cases have reached 5, while in Kale area of Myanmar has reported 119 coronavirus cases so far. These border areas are predominantly populated by Kukis and Jau communities. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown and curfew, rice meant for distribution to the people of Phungya constituency was found moved from FCI Godown Ukhrul to other places. The rice has been reportedly transported to several villages in the area. In connection to this, Phungya MLA K. Laishio expressed surprise, saying the relief materials have been moved from the godown. He said the people in Phungya constituency have not received any relief item from the government side so far during the COVID-19 lockdown. Manipur Bhavan, Delhi, under the initiative of its Residential Commissioner P.K. Mishra, backed by student bodies and civil society organizations, have so far extended relief materials to 2,700 stranded Manipuris in the national capital. According to our Delhi correspondent, donations of all types have been pouring in from several quarters, and the team is all set to continue extending support to maximum number of people. Under the supervision of former Moirang MLA M. Prithvi Raj, Moirang Block Congress Committee distributed essential food items to people living along the Tidim Road under Moirang constituency today. Prithvi Raj and cyclist cum social activist Rohan Philem took part in the distribution of the relief materials. The Indian Medical Association has demanded the centre to bring in a law to protect doctors and other healthcare staff amid a rise in incidents of violence against medical staff working to fight novel coronavirus. In a white alert, the Indian Medical Association asked hospitals and medical staff across the country to light candles to protest against attacks on workers. In white alert to the nation, all doctors and hospitals will light a candle as protest and vigil on April 22nd, the IMA said in a statement. The statement added that if the government fails to enact a law to protect doctors even after white alert on April 22nd, Black Day will be observed on April 23rd. Taking serious note of obstructions to the cremation of a Chennai doctor who died of COVID-19, the IMA warned of appropriate retaliatory measures if the authorities fail to stop such incidents. US President Donald Trump has decided to suspend immigration to the country in the wake of coronavirus crisis to protect the jobs of American citizens. In light of the attack from the invisible enemy, Trump said in a tweet this morning, quote, "In light of the attack from the invisible enemy as well as the need to protect the jobs of our great American citizens, he will be signing an executive order to temporarily suspend immigration to the United States," unquote.